More than 20,000 Bosnian women were subjected to rape and sexual violence during the Balkan War. Many were held captive for months or years, tortured and forcibly impregnated.
The Bosnian authorities have failed to provide justice and reparation for the utmost majority of them. Only about 800 women are receiving currently a pension as civilian victims of war, and only about 120 perpetrators have been brought to justice.
Official designation as a civilian victim of war allows survivors access to a range of state services, including reparations, a pension and healthcare. But this has proved difficult in part because of the 1995 Dayton Agreement that brought an end to the conflict. The agreement divided Bosnia and Herzegovina into the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the Republika Srpska.
This means that women survivors who may be in one part of the country do not have access to this status. Consequently, they also don't receive any of the services provided by the state. Other women had their statuses not granted because they couldn't demonstrate that the violence, that the rape committed against them had caused the long-term sustained trauma and injuries to them.
Since war crimes trials began in Bosnia in 2004, Amnesty reports less than 1% of the total number of rape victims have had their cases heard in court. Amnesty says the prosecution system has improved, but there are still huge obstacles.
That included the lack of witness protection, women being exposed to perpetrators living in the same communities, or perpetrators being protected because of their social status. So, for example, war generals or war veterans were less likely to be prosecuted.
Many survivors told Amnesty they doubt they will live long enough to see justice. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.